Seminole County Community Health is taking a proactive approach to the nationwide opioid epidemic by partnering with the Orlando Sanford International Airport to make Narcan readily available for emergencies.
The Orlando Sanford International Airport has provided certain areas throughout the terminals and passenger areas so that they have quick access to the tools that we need. So having those tools readily available for them to access it, and sometimes in the moments where we can't wait for medical personnel to respond, it's readily available and we can take care of the situation immediately. So we've had different occasions, whether in the surrounding parking lots. We also have a Commerce Park area which has a lot of businesses, and we've used it several times, which were successful with the deployments and resulted in a full recovery of the patients.
Since we are experiencing nationwide really an opioid epidemic, we thought it was important to bring attention to this matter through partnerships with community agencies. And so we reached out to the Sanford Airport Police Department and asked them to participate. They were gracious enough to have a vehicle wrapped.
By making Narcan readily available and educating the community, Seminole County is working to prevent tragic incidents before they happen, saving lives one dose at a time.